It's a beautiful day. Pig's warmed up. I'm feeling good. So I decide, hey, let's ride with the GoPro outside the cage for once. See what kind of audio I get. Oh, beloved, I got audio. The whippy sound of a dead cat flailing for its life, like the star of a Gremlins reboot, directed by Michael Bay and edited by a ferret. Looks like questionable 70s cinema, to be honest. Hair everywhere. Just boinging around like a feral critter trying to crawl into the lens. At this point, I'm considering gluing it to my bald spot and passing it off as a comeback. But wait, what's this? From stage left, a blue duck-toting bucket rolling in hot with the aerodynamic grace of a shoe and a dash full of squeaky passengers on a side quest for chaos. Now, she's been tailing me, floating close, then hanging back. No biggie. Here, she starts her pass legit. It's a passing zone, all good. Then she cuts back in, just after it ends. Gray area. Fine, whatever. Baja Barbie. You do you. But then, oh dear, she eventually gets to the car in front of me. Instead of chilling like a normal human, she drops the hammer and overtakes with the self-preservation of a blindfolded panda, kung fu somersaulting across a flaming jungle gym, built by ancient gods from cursed bamboo, teetering over the yawning maw of the Grand Canyon while thunder cracks and the wind whimpers. This is how legends die, Poe! Meaning it's a no-passing zone. Up a hill, in a Jeep, that harbinger revered for its high-speed passing ability, measured in feet per week. At this point, I'm watching with the same energy people reserve for bear attack videos. Equal parts horror and awe. One wrong move and it's mulberries, telephone poles, and maybe get not so gently folded by a coal train doing its best not to notice. And sure, her Jeep probably has trail-rated badges, so off-road cred is implied. Maybe an Etsy sticker that says, "Not all who wander are lost." But I'm pretty sure that doesn't include wandering into oncoming traffic like her moral compass is a rubber duck named Gary. The same Gary who just cracked a Pabst and yelled, "Fucking send it, Bob!" I don't know what's scarier, the pass itself or the thought that every one of the ducks scattered across her dash probably applauded when she gave that mall crawler hell and gassed it like her last name was Toretto. Meanwhile, my camera still looks like I've duct-taped a live Muppet to my chin as some kind of Hensonian torture ritual. And here's when it occurs to me. I'm trying to document potential vehicular manslaughter in case it's needed for litigation. All the while, I'm unknowingly looking like an unstable loon with an emotional support chipmunk hanging onto my lip for dear life. Which totally tracks, if I'm being honest. Could you imagine showing this in court? This is where it all went sideways, Your Honor, seconds before she tried to go off-road through a hedge of mulberries thick enough to swallow hope, industrial-grade utility poles, all the while flaunting the unforgiving judgment of physics as she mistook an active rail line for a scenic shortcut. Please, never mind what appears to be a rather untoward rodent gesticulating wildly in the bottom third of the screen. Honestly, I'm just glad I didn't have to testify as the guy with the face-mounted squirrel. So yeah, no idea if I'm the duster or she is. Mah! Just another peaceful ride in the great state of Illinois, where your wind-fouling dead cat attacks you personally, and yellow lines are a choose-your-own adventure starter kit for rubber duck motherships tearing around like a fever dream, mounted on off-road tires. Next time on Blunderdome, I go ahead and superglue the dead cat to my bald spot. Or maybe it'll be an actual cat. Either way, like, comment, subscribe for more high-speed hairball chaos and traffic violations in the wild.